welcome back, and we're on an adventure. We are in Sand Hollow State Park, southern Utah, and we're wheeling. We're getting ready to go through the tunnel right here. So, yeah, we came down to Matt's Off-Road Games, and there's enough of that on YouTube. I don't need to put it up there. I'm gonna throw a clip in here and there, but we're having some fun out here. So, we're gonna go through the tunnel. So, gotta wait our turn, and then we're gonna go through. Thank you.
Yahoo! Bounce a little dune buggy.
There it is. There it is. Where'd they go? Where'd they go?
They went down the dunes. No, the Jeep. The Jeep went down the dunes. Yahoo! Yeah.
Hey, now go up here.
Something's touching.
Hey. All right. We played around the sand dunes a little bit in the sand. A lot of fun. Right now, I'm getting ready to go up. One of the obstacles is called the Guardian on 777. I don't know how far up this trail I'm going. I'm just playing around a little bit because why not, right? So here we go.
Yeah. That's the little Guardian 7. I have no idea what that is. This is gray stone.
That was a lot steeper than I anticipated.
This is gray sandstone.
Having fun? Yeah, that was a lot steeper than I anticipated. So next one's this one. Should be okay. I got rock sliders. Threw some new ones on it before I left, but should be able to get right through
We
here.
haven't gotten to the deck yet.
So I don't know how far up this one we're going. Maybe there's an easy exit up here. I don't know. We're just gonna play around. None of this. I mean, I can come back through all this. So let's have some fun.
Oh! Rock slider hit!
It's okay.
Scrape sand clean off that. Tires rubbing.
This is a lot of fun. And by the way, 3-to-1 gears, oh, they make so much difference. It was, and that locker too, it helps a lot.
Way down there. I'm way up here. Let's see what it looks. Huh? Something's touching. Shedding smoke. Got it there, Dad. Not a dead. Okay.
Continually impressed with this thing. 3-to-1 gears completely changed the way it drives. I love it. I can't believe I made it up that. We're gonna keep going up this trail. I don't know if I should keep going up this trail. I probably shouldn't. I'm having fun. Oh my gosh, that was cool. So anyway, we're gonna keep going, see what this little thing does. But that traction is insane, and this is awesome. I should have done this a long time ago. Anyway, all right. Let's keep going. I think I might try going up that next. So that's quite the obstacle. I should be able to get through it though. Got a short wheelbase. Right up through here, one tire across here. That right there is gonna hang me up if I can get over that way. Tight to that rock as I can. Stay out of that hole.
That's why I have rock sliders.
Hey, point the camera. Okay, I tried that one that I told you about. It didn't work. Not a good idea. I'll throw a picture in. Anyway, and now we got to go back for one of the things at the games. So we're gonna take an easy route out of here and head back down that way. That was actually double Sammy, not 777s. So I can go down through here. I really hope I can get down through here. So here we go. Not a good idea. Okay, can't get down through here. So we're gonna back up and see what we can do.
Literally.
I got myself in a precarious spot. I can't back out. I might be able to back out. Got a rock right there. I'm gonna smash into my thing if I'm not careful, and it's pretty steep. So I got some very kind people here. They're gonna help pull me out and we'll get out of this. Okay, we are out of that precarious situation. These guys helped me out. Huge help, shout out to them. I really appreciate the help. It was tight. So, anyway, yeah. Right now I'm gonna put some tension on his winch so he can spool it back in, nice and tight. And so then we're gonna get out of here. Okay. So went down to the raffle thing and didn't win anything because I didn't put my ticket in the bin. So kind of hard to win anything. Right now we're out wheeling again. We are running the trail. I think it's called Milt's Mile is what the trail name is. So yeah, we're just having a great time. This is why I brought the tracker with me. It's a lot of work to bring it down here, but this is a bucket list thing for me, coming down to wheel Sand Hollow. I really want to do Moab one of these days, but for now we're doing Sand Hollow. We're having a great time, so we're gonna keep wheeling this and see how we're doing. All right, playing around on the dunes, it's a lot of fun. We're gonna play on this one right here a little bit, just see what we can do. I don't know, we're just having fun. See if I can, I haven't been filming a lot because it's kind of hard to film and drive at the same time, but being honest with you. So, see what we can do. Yeah, I made it up that one. Made it up that one. Kind of fun. Let's see what we can do. Get up this one. Found a cool spot. Look at these rocks. Like huge rocks. Then there's a climb. Look at this. Big rock here, big rock there. This is cool. We're gonna back up a little bit. Back up. And we're gonna get a run at this. That was so cool. That was so cool. All right, I don't know where I'm at. We're lost. All right, well, that's it for today. We're heading out. I don't know if that's it for this video. If it is, thanks for watching. If not, tomorrow's coming. And if it is the end of this video, there's another video coming. So we're having fun. Stick around.
3 videos.
Bring you around.
3 more videos, okay guys?